In this video, we are going to see about lifecycle events and hooks in detail. On changes is the first one in the lifecycle. So it will respond when Angular sets or resets data inputs. So it will be called before NGONINIT, and data bound input properties will be changed and set to these NGON changes. NGONINIT. It is used to initialize the directives and components of the Angular, and it will be called after the NGON changes. NGON changes is done, and then NGON in it. Then it will come to NG2check. NG2check will detect and act upon the changes that have happened. After content is for responding to the external content into the components wave. NG after content check is for checking the contents projected into the directives or components. After vGenet is for the components view and child waves response. NG after vcheck is for components views and child views. NGONDESTROY is for cleanup and destroys the directives or components and unsubscribe with the observables and clean all these memory instances. Thanks team, thanks for the support.